Most people look at a piece of rusted chicken wire, a discarded construction mesh scrap, or leftover hardware cloth and see sharp, hazardous waste destined for the landfill. A senior designer recognizes an invisible structural armature waiting to be manipulated into a weightless botanical illusion. Today, we are performing material alchemy on our vertical outdoor planes. We are moving past the expected look of heavy clay pots and flat wooden trellises, revealing the strict structural logic behind beautiful floating sculptural garden elements, converting recycled mesh into an interconnected, hidden geometric skeleton that floats mid-air. If you're ready to learn how to guide climbing flora across a completely invisible grid to build a lush, museum-grade living installation, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Invisible Support Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Sunday, June 21st, 2026. And we are shifting our landscape perspective to achieve absolute design weightlessness. In 2026, premium outdoor styling isn't about buying expensive, bulky mass-manufactured garden structures. It is about the atmospheric curation of negative space, shadow architecture, and floating vertical greenery displays. We are blending architectural discipline with smart upcycling to give common wire debris an undeniable tactile integrity. Let's step into the alchemy. The Invisible Support Masterclass. 1. The philosophy of the weightless garden. In the world of #Beki Decor, high-end outdoor design should never feel grounded by heavy, predictable boundaries. It should defy gravity. This is where we introduce material alchemy. Most people see a discarded roll of wire mesh or a piece of bent fencing and think nothing of it. They rely on massive, dark plastic or terracotta pots that swallow up their precious deck footprints, leaving their upper vertical zones completely flat, empty, and disconnected from nature. In 2026, we challenge this heavy aesthetic entirely, creating floating sculptural elements using recycled mesh is the absolute peak of sustainable luxury. When you take a raw industrial castaway, strip away its harshness, and subject it to deliberate artistic form, you create an illusion of absolute weightlessness. By training vibrant green vines across an invisible framework, you trick the eye into seeing infinite, floating botanical volume. 2. Structural logic. Sculpting the mesh armature. To make recycled mesh look like a premium gallery piece, you must completely hide its industrial identity beneath the plants. We begin this process by selecting lightweight, malleable wires like hardware cloth or flexible construction mesh. Wire acts as the ultimate medium for three-dimensional design, offering high tensile strength while remaining almost completely invisible from a distance. We execute this by bending, rolling, and molding the mesh into fluid, organic silhouettes. Think abstract cascading waves, floating spheres, or minimalist geometric columns. Fasten the seams securely with thin jewelry wire to form a rigid, hollow #geometric skeleton. By designing an open, breathable internal core, you create an ideal multidirectional canvas that allows plants to grow outward from every single angle. 3. The botanical matrix, creating living substrates. The true secret to turning a bare wire cage into an ethereal floating oasis is constructing a hidden moss matrix. If you try to pack loose potting soil into open wire, it will instantly wash away during the first rain. To create a highly functional, long-term home for your roots, we line the inside of the mesh skeleton with thick sheets of natural sphagnum moss or organic coconut coir. Pack the damp moss tightly against the interior walls of your mesh shape. Then fill the remaining center void with an ultra-lightweight potting mix blended with perlite. This layered design creates a highly moisture-retentive, porous root zone. Once zipped closed, you have a solid, organic sculptural canvas ready to receive a sophisticated mix of climbing cultivars, trailing ivy, and vibrant bromeliads. 4. Architectural plant layering and threading. With your living substrate fully engineered, you can begin the precise composition of textures. Use a small pair of snips to create clean entry points directly through the wire mesh grid. Gently slide the root balls of your plants through the openings, embedding them firmly into the inner soil core. To achieve an immediate, high-volume, hanging garden effect, place fast-growing trailing plants like climbing pothos, heartleaf philodendrons, or English ivy at the top and sides of the form. We weave and thread the long vining arms directly through the wire grid, securing them gently. This structural training encourages the aerial roots to lock onto the mesh. As the vines grow, they knit together into a dense, solid sheet of green luxury that completely conceals the underlying wire infrastructure. Thank you for sharing this design masterclass with me for our weekend reveal. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop letting traditional layout boundaries limit your outdoor spaces. Look at your vertical real estate, rescue some discarded mesh, and start building the weightless, floating masterpieces your sanctuary deserves. If you've engineered an invisible support or created floating garden elements this week, tell me your story in the comments below. I want to see how your plants are taking flight. Hit that subscribe button to join our community of mindful creators. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a revelation, and I will see you in our next design masterclass. Stay grounded in the light.